Hey Disney friends, it's Amber with Mickey Travels. This video is a special announcement for you, as well as an unboxing opportunity where I will be going through what Disney has sent me for my next trip. So stay tuned.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Alright, so it's been a minute or two since I've been on the channel. For those of you that know that I am a full-time teacher as well as a fall sport coach. So the fall is very difficult for me to just jump on and do videos really quick. So I apologize for being absent for the past few months, but I'm back and I've got lots of plans as far as new opportunities to share with you as far as things that are happening with Disney World in the future. I have a Disneyland video up ahead, and then right now I've got this unboxing. So first, I was given the opportunity to take part in Adventures by Disney, which is one of the least known destinations that Disney books. So what Adventures by Disney is you have the opportunity to book locations all over the world and have extended stays at these places with a guided tour on each day. So you get to take part in really excellent itineraries that you could not possibly do on your own. You have Disney cast members with you to guide you on the tours. You have unique food opportunities. It's just an all-inclusive vacation to destinations everywhere with that Disney magic added in. So I was approached with a great opportunity to go on one myself. And so I have received the Adventures by Disney box in the mail, and I wanted to unbox it for you, let you know where we'll be going. And of course you're coming along because that's what we do. I want to make sure that you get to experience the fullness that Disney has to offer besides just the parks, Disney Cruise Line, and Disneyland. But this way, this will give you the opportunity to kind of see what else is out there for Disney to give you. And of course I am able to book these for you, so if you're interested to see what kind of itineraries Disney has to offer, contact me. My info is below. All right, so when I mean all over the world, it's literally all over the world. In-state as well, so they have shorter ones, maybe if you're interested in seeing the Grand Canyon and more of the Majestic National Park area of the United States. There's one in Hollywood that I've been interested in that takes you behind the scenes in some of the older Disney studios and walking through Walt's footsteps kind of thing. You get to tour Jim Henson Studios there as well. But then of course they have some in Europe and Asia and some islands. It's just there's so many to choose from. Well, I will be traveling to Europe next month during the Thanksgiving holiday, doing the Danube River Cruise, which is going to be 7 nights traveling down the river in a boat that is similar to a cruise boat. It's a river cruise boat, and we'll be stopping along the way. We start in Hungary, we'll be going to Austria and Germany, and it's just an opportunity that I could not pass up, and I'm so excited to take you along with me as well. So let's take a look at what Disney sends you when you have decided to take your next adventure. So it comes in this really cool box that says Adventures by Disney on it. And it's gonna come in the mail like this, so if you're trying to surprise people, I get that question often with the magic bands. It was not covered. The address is here on the back. All right, so cute little sayings all the way around. And as you open, you see you get your vacation guide. So this is pretty neat because I thought this was like just a planner to where we can maybe like store some of our things that we get. It's just very adventurous. It says Adventures by Disney there, and it says, "Dear River Cruise Adventurer, we look forward to your upcoming river cruise. The enclosed duffel bag will come in handy for souvenirs and other items that you may collect along the way and want to bring home. We hope you will bring it with you on your river adventure cruise. See you in Europe soon. The cast and adventure guides with Adventures by Disney." So I'm like, that's neat, and realized when you unzip all this, it makes a duffel bag. So hold on, let me unzip it for you. So when you unzip one side, it went from this to this. You can see here's the duffel bag part, and it just extends, and it's just a regular size gym duffel bag. It's got 2 zippers to unzip it there. I don't want to unzip it all the way because it took me a minute. But this is awesome. Like, they folded it up and put it in a box. That's so cool. All right, so then inside the pocket for our information in here, we also have luggage tags, leather luggage tags that say Adventures by Disney on it. We have the straps for the bag. There should be another luggage tag. Yeah, 2 luggage tags because we're both going. And then the information about our cruise. So this is going to be the guide that will tell you everything you need to know ahead of time and what to bring, etc. And of course, since we're going to Europe, we needed to get passports, and it has information in there detailing that. And we can arrange flights through Disney to do this, but we went ahead and booked those ourselves. And they are, and then you have to check, but on some of the Adventures by Disney, they will pick you up from the airport to take you to where you need to go. And that was one of the things that we were able to get. All right, so it'll have details about your vacation inside, but the interesting thing in here is it will tell you exactly what to pack before you leave the airport, what you need to make sure you have, attire for the trip, and where meals are going to be taking place, when you will need money for certain things, if you need to switch over to euros ahead of time, but then the itinerary. So I am going to quickly go over what we'll be doing briefly with you. I'll keep some of it a surprise, but I do plan to videotape a majority of it. I've actually never been able to go to Europe. So this is our first trip ever, both my husband and I, to Europe, so we're going to hopefully be filming quite a bit. So we fly into Budapest, Hungary, and here's what the riverboat looks like on the Danube. It's very elegant. Super stoked. Okay, let me see. Where are we going? Hello. It tells me details about exactly what's on the boat. And not all the destinations are on boats like this. I mean, they have some where you'll be traveling to different cities every day and staying in hotels. All right, so it tells us on daily activities when we're in each area, the different things that will be happening, such as the equestrian park, panoramic city tour, cruise on the sun deck. We're going to Vienna. We're going to Milk, Linz, and then we do end in Nuremberg, which is the highlight for me being a history teacher. We are actually going to be touring some of the Nazi Party rally locations and take a look at where the war crimes, the Nuremberg trials, took place for the Holocaust. So that to me is amazing. All right, so that's what you'll get. You'll get the details of exactly what's going to be going on. And then the last thing they sent me was, this is in cahoots with another company in Europe called AMA Waterways, which are the ones that own the boat, but it is Adventures by Disney. They speak English on the boat. The tour guides speak English, so we don't have to worry about the language barrier, not knowing how to speak anything else. So that's another plus for doing these Adventures by Disney trips, is because we don't speak anything besides English. So having people speak English everywhere around us is definitely a plus. So this is kind of like a guidebook that goes over a lot of the places that we will be seeing. So this is in addition to what they gave us, and it has like common phrases in different languages to know, etc. through this book. So that's the gist of what is in the box. It's just to get you acquainted with your Adventures by Disney trip. So I look forward to sharing with you what this experience is like, and to also get you interested in maybe considering going on an Adventures by Disney. I have clients that book Disney World more than any other trip, followed by Disneyland and Disney Cruise Line with a tie. But then Adventures by Disney is either A, it's not known much about, but 2, it can be expensive. With that being said, there are tons of different choices when it comes to Adventures by Disney. So if you're trying to save up for maybe an overseas trip and you are nervous about having to plan all that yourself, maybe the language thing is a concern for you, then this is a perfect opportunity to experience Europe and do all the travel things with someone there to guide you. And of course, with it being Disney, that we know if you've been to Disney before, cast members there are extremely helpful, and so Adventures by Disney crew also will be extremely helpful for you. If you're interested in using my planning services for Adventures by Disney, or looking into it, or more information on it and some of the different itineraries they offer, contact me below. I can show you what they offer. Every year they throw in some new different locations, so there are tons of choices for you. And then of course I will be back soon with more Disney World, Disneyland videos to help with your planning needs. Right now I've got in the works the Disneyland 101 video, and then I'm also doing a Disney World at Christmas video coming up. So thanks for sticking around, guys, and I will hope to see you very soon. And we're super excited about this trip, and I can't wait to share with you the beauty of Europe, as well as the amenities that Disney offers to make sure that this trip is going to be amazing for us. And hopefully this will encourage you to look into this awesome opportunity as well. Have a magical day. Bye.